Hello, nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to Nature Connection, the channel that brings you closer to the natural world. Today, we have a truly remarkable insect to talk about: the leaf insect. These masters of camouflage are some of the most fascinating creatures in the insect world. Join me as we delve into the secretive lives of leaf insects and learn about their incredible adaptations. Leaf insects are part of the Felidae family, and they are often referred to as walking leaves. They're found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Just look at how they resemble real leaves. It's just unbelievable. The leaf insect's primary claim to fame is its unrivaled camouflage. They come in various species, each mimicking specific types of leaves found in their habitat. Their appearance is so convincing that they can hide in plain sight even from predators. Leaf insects take mimicry to a whole new level. Their bodies have intricate patterns, colors, and even tiny veins that imitate real leaves. It's a defense mechanism that helps them avoid being eaten by birds, spiders, and other predators. Leaf insects are primarily herbivorous, feeding on a variety of leaves. They move slowly and deliberately, just like a leaf rustling in the breeze. When threatened, they often sway back and forth to mimic a leaf blowing in the wind. Leaf insects go through a complete metamorphosis with egg, nymph, and adult stage. Females lay eggs that closely resemble plant seeds. The nymphs, or young leaf insects, closely resemble adults and gradually grow in size. Leaf insects are kept as pets in some places. However, it's essential to ensure they are ethically sourced and cared for properly. In the wild, habitat destruction poses a threat to their populations, making conservation efforts crucial. Have you ever encountered a leaf insect in the wild or kept one as a pet? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay connected with nature through our upcoming videos. Until next time, keep exploring and stay connected to the beauty of the natural world. This is Nature Connection, signing off.